All right, this one's getting delivered tomorrow. It's Bumpy Johnson, airbrushing by Ken from Ken's Customs. So check out what we did on this one. Kenny from Ken's Custom did a kick-ass job in the airbrushing on the bags as usual. Factory radio, flashed, DSR1 DSP, Hertz SPL Show Neo coaxials. SPL Show Neo 6x9s, Beyma 8-inch mid-bass drivers. He was adamant about the speakers being water resistant, so we're running the Hertz SPL Show Neos, and we're running two Sound Digital EvoX 800.4s. This is our standard NVS Audio Stage 3, so 6.5s in the front, 6 mines in the lids, and two 8-inch mid-bass drivers. On this one we went with the DSR1 DSP and a radio flash. Now we just got to get her cleaned up and delivered for tomorrow afternoon.